Latvia is one of the most beautiful and greenest countries in the whole world. We have 4 wonderful seasons: summer, spring, fall and winter. Falls and winters are mostly cold and windy, so we have to focus on minimum heat loss. Just like the rest of Europe, we think green. In our college, we not only learn to design houses, but to make them environmentally friendly and energy saving. Riga Building College architecture students learn about minimum energy consumption, safe constructions and the most appropriate materials for each house. In today's lesson plan we have architectural design with our teacher Aiva Dreiman. This lesson's topic is architectural constructions and heat loss. Our lesson consists of theoretical and practical exercises. In the beginning, teacher arises the problem and explains the best solutions for it. She describes all theoretical material for this topic. After that we are given practical tasks. Teacher is always open to answer our questions. One of the most important things we learn is to work by ourselves, and a huge attention is given to deadlines, because it's very important for every architectural technician. At the end of the lesson, teacher always gives us homework for the next time. For today's lesson we had to make house models and show the most important constructions in model, like sloping and covering beams. Here you can see students in school dormitory while doing this homework. After that we have made house models, teacher explains the best solutions for each house's heat insulation and gives us examples for house junctions. She is also lecturing us about thermal bridges and how to avoid having them in the projected house. After a great lecture about heat loss and insulation constructions, we are having a practical exercises with our designed houses. The goal for these exercises is to work independently with insulation, including the construction work and all the necessary calculations. While working on our practical exercises, we also must be prepared to get sudden knowledge check by teacher. Here you can see that Monta is drawing different types of floors on the bottom layer. These knowledge checks are great not only for the called out student, but for others too, as they are able to repeat previous lectures' content. At the end of the work, teacher checks our exercises that we have done, so we can get our marks. But marks are not the most important thing in this process. The main reason why we are doing this is to understand the question, not to know only answers. People always used to love travel around the world and see other cultures' architecture. As the students now, we all hope that one day we will be great architects, and with the best teachers of Riga Building College it is possible, so we are welcoming you here in Latvia to study architecture together in our college.